The monitor market offers a diverse selection of great options for various needs. From high-resolution displays for professional graphic design to budget-friendly options perfect for everyday tasks, there's something for everyone. Gamers can enjoy models featuring high refresh rates and quick response times for a seamless experience. For those who appreciate stunning visuals, monitors with exceptional HDR capabilities provide vibrant colors and contrast. Ergonomic designs and adjustable features enhance comfort during long hours of use. In this guide, we explore the best monitors available on the market to elevate your productivity, entertainment, and overall viewing experience. All product links are provided in the description. Number 12. BenQ SW242Q Best 16:10 Aspect Ratio Monitor. The BenQ SW242Q stands out with its unique 16:10 aspect ratio and a resolution of 2560 by 1600, offering more vertical space compared to standard 16:9 monitors. This makes it ideal for professionals needing extra room for editing and creative work. Encased in a robust charcoal black frame, the monitor's design is both functional and professional, with a sturdy stand that provides height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments. Connectivity is plentiful, featuring HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C with 90 watts of power delivery, plus an SD card reader. The SW242Q excels in color performance, covering most of the DCI, P3, and Adobe RGB color spaces, making it perfect for photo and video editing. The color accuracy is impressive, supported by a panel that mimics the texture of printed material. Number 11. BenQ RD280U. The BenQ RD280U is an excellent choice for coders, offering a 28-inch panel with a 3:2 aspect ratio, providing extra vertical space for viewing more lines of code without frequent scrolling. Its crisp 3840 by 2560 resolution ensures sharp text rendering, and the IPS panel delivers great color accuracy and wide viewing angles, ideal for extended coding sessions. With a matte finish, the monitor reduces glare, and features like the Moon Halo ambient light and automatic night mode help reduce eye strain during long hours of work. The connectivity is impressive, including USB-C with DisplayPort alternate mode and 90 watts of power delivery, making it easy to charge and connect laptops. Number 10. Asus ProArt Display OLED PA32DC. The Asus ProArt Display OLED PA32DC is a top-tier monitor for design professionals, delivering unmatched color accuracy, contrast, and sharpness. Its OLED display provides a stunningly realistic image with deep blacks and vibrant colors, supported by a wide color gamut and 4K resolution. What sets the PA32DC apart is its built-in calibration utility, allowing users to fine-tune image quality for ultra-precise results. The sturdy design features chunky bezels, large menu buttons, and a handle for easy transport, making it perfect for both desktop use and mobile studios. Connectivity is vast with 5 video inputs and a USB hub. Number 9. Viewsonic ColorPro VP16 OLED. The Viewsonic VP16 OLED delivers class-leading image quality in a portable package. This 15.6-inch OLED monitor has a 1080p resolution and offers exceptional color accuracy, contrast, and sharpness. Its performance rivals full-sized OLED monitors, making it perfect for photographers and content creators on the go. One of its standout features is the versatile stand, which can be used as a kickstand or expanded to hold the monitor upright. It includes 2 USB-C ports, which can handle power and video input, and a micro HDMI port for added connectivity. Viewsonic also bundles various cables and a USB-C power brick, so you're ready to use it right out of the box. Number 8. Innocn 27M2V. The Innocn 27M2V is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those looking for strong HDR performance. This 27-inch 4K mini-LED monitor boasts a 160Hz refresh rate and an impressive HDR brightness of up to 877 nits, offering vibrant, detailed luminance in HDR content. It outshines many OLED and LED monitors in this category. Despite its budget price, the Innocn 27M2V delivers excellent color accuracy, contrast, and sharpness, making it suitable for both gaming and content creation. Number 7. Asus ROG Swift PG27AQDP. The Asus ROG Swift PG27AQDP is a trailblazer, setting a new standard for motion clarity with its 480Hz refresh rate. This 27-inch OLED monitor offers a 2560 by 1440 resolution, delivering a stunning visual experience for gamers. The high refresh rate, combined with adaptive sync support for both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, ensures smooth and fluid gameplay. Color accuracy is another highlight, with 96% DCI-P3 coverage and excellent HDR performance, making it an excellent choice for HDR content. The monitor also features Asus Extreme Low Motion Blur technology, which further enhances clarity at lower refresh rates. Number 6. Alienware AW3423DWF. The Alienware AW3423DWF offers an immersive gaming experience with its ultra-wide QD-OLED panel, providing excellent contrast, vibrant colors, and a nearly infinite contrast ratio. The 165Hz refresh rate, combined with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and Visa Adaptive Sync support, ensures smooth motion with minimal blur or ghosting. While its HDR performance could be better and the stand is large, this monitor excels in gaming clarity, making it a top choice for gamers. Number 5. MSI MPG341CQPX. The MSI MPG341CQPX is a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor that stands out with a 240Hz refresh rate and a Samsung QD OLED panel. Gamers will appreciate its smooth motion and excellent HDR performance. The monitor also offers practical features like a USB-C port that delivers up to 98 watts of power delivery, which can charge your laptop or tablet while connected. However, the stand is somewhat bulky, taking up more space than necessary. The lack of RGB LED lighting might also disappoint gamers looking for more visual flair. Number 4. Dell G2724D. The Dell G2724D is an exceptional budget gaming monitor, combining 1440p resolution with a 165Hz refresh rate. Its 27-inch IPS panel delivers vibrant images and smooth gameplay, covering 100% of the sRGB color gamut. Gamers will appreciate its support for Visa Adaptive Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and NVIDIA G-Sync, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Although it lacks USB connectivity and 3.5mm audio out, the G2724D comes with an attractive matte black design and a functional ergonomic stand. Number 3. Dell S2722QC. The Dell S2722QC delivers 4K resolution and USB-C connectivity at an affordable price. Its 27-inch IPS panel is perfect for home office use, with crisp visuals and decent color accuracy. It even supports 65 watts of USB power delivery, making it easy to charge your laptop while you work. The monitor also features integrated speakers and a versatile ergonomic stand. While its contrast ratio is lower than some more expensive models, and the SDR vibrance is not as vivid. Number 2. Pixio PX248 Wave. The Pixio PX248 Wave offers great value for budget-conscious shoppers at just $150. This 24-inch 1080p monitor impresses with a 200Hz refresh rate, good motion clarity, and solid color accuracy. It's available in several unique color options, making it a stylish addition to any workspace or gaming setup. While the built-in stand only offers tilt adjustments, the PX248 Wave includes built-in speakers and adaptive sync support, delivering smooth visuals for both work and play. Despite its limitations, the strong feature set at this price point makes it a compelling choice for those looking to maximize value. Number 1. Dell UltraSharp U2724DE. The Dell UltraSharp U2724DE is a versatile monitor that excels in both home, office productivity, and casual gaming. Its 27-inch IPS black panel offers impressive contrast ratios, paired with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth motion and improved clarity. This monitor is well suited for content creators, offering excellent color accuracy for tasks like photo and video editing. Although the U2724D's resolution is 1440p, rather than the more common 4K found at its price point, it compensates with Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and a range of other ports that significantly boost connectivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.